Headline: We made a dictionary of MicroStrategy's invented terminology. Published at 7:07 p.m. June 11, 2025. If you've interacted with the MicroStrategy (MSTR) community, chances are you've encountered an entire linguistic set that baffles even experienced investors. Just as GameStop, GME meme stock investors created their own terms within their Wall Street Bets subreddit dictionary, so too have irresponsibly long MSTR investors on the social media platform X. In 2021, Roaring Kitty and GameStop retail investors coined new terms like stonks, tendies, and diamond hands. Over the last few years, Michael Saylor and MSTR investors have similarly repurposed words like torque, black hole, and net asset value. Below is a short dictionary of words that Saylor has repurposed from familiar concepts. A dictionary for MicroStrategy shareholders. Torque, a measurement of value generated for shareholders per dollar raised. More specifically, it's the leveraged sensitivity of MSTR to Bitcoin BTC price movements, and is borrowed from the concept of torque in a transmission system, the efficiency of a corporate engine to leverage its capital structure to accumulate BTC. Mathematically, torque is calculated by dividing the US dollar USD value of a company's BTC by the USD deployed to acquire it. Bitcoin yield, the percentage change in BTC holdings relative to the company's assumed diluted shares. Assumed diluted shares, the amount of common stock that would be hypothetically circulating if all outstanding options, restricted stock, performance stock, convertible bonds, and convertible preferreds exercised their conversion rights. Bitcoin gain, the number of BTC at the beginning of the period multiplied by the yield over that period. Black hole, the alleged impact of MicroStrategy's non-dilutive preferred shares, invented after the company's third series of dividend-yielding preferred shares, STRIDE, STRD. Because dividend-yielding preferreds don't dilute common shareholders and thus provide ideal torque, MicroStrategy could allegedly create a financial black hole, assuming global demand for BTC price exposure will go parabolic. Endless ways to describe a leveraged bet on BTC ATMs, at-the-market common stock offerings that dilute common stockholders to buy BTC. Prior to the summer of 2025, ATMs were the largest capital-raising activity at MicroStrategy. Accretive dilution, an attempt to buck the usual trend of share price decline when issuing new shares. Although ATMs would normally dilute shareholders $1 for every $1 of BTC acquired, accretive dilution captures some of the MNAV premium, see below, such that ATMs become slightly accretive MNAV, an acronym for multiple to net asset value, and calculated as the company's market capitalization divided by the value of its Bitcoin holdings with no regard for debt or encumbrances. MicroStrategy's highest MNAV over the past year was about 3.4 on November 20th, and is currently 1.7. The higher the MNAV, the more bullish MSTR investors are. MMC, MNAV months to cover. Adam Back invented this acronym of an acronym as a valuation metric for BTC treasury companies like MicroStrategy. The term forecasts the number of months it will take a company to cover or make up for its otherwise high MNAV above 1. This recording is AI-generated. Get more crypto news at protos.com.